Welcome to Mentorat. Enjoy the journey. In this Oracle Certified Associate and Professional Java Standard Edition 8 Programmer course, you'll get the perfect training to help you master Java and pass the Oracle Java Online International Certification. Oracle Certified Associate, Oracle Certified Professional. Java is the most popular platform and programming language in the world, and it is perfect to build a simple console application, graphical user interface application, web application, website and all, mobile application, embedded system application, server application, enterprise application, and so on. Mentorat helps you to set a solid foundation in Java and pass the international certification. In this video, we'll create an airline reservation system to let you understand how the Java language can help you in your professional life. Together, we'll cover the basic. That is, we'll learn some essential Java class, we'll use the collection and the date API, we'll deploy and execute our airline application. At the end of this video, I will invite you to join Mentorat and enjoy the journey. To create a Java application, you need the Java development kit and the Java runtime environment. From the terminal, I'll show you the version of the Java development kit I'm using. This is the JDK, the Java compiler version 1.8. This is the Java runtime environment version 1.8 also. So we are using Java 8 in our video. Let's create a new folder called Mentorat. Let's see. Fine. We create the folder. Let's move to our folder. Inside this folder, we'll create another folder and we'll name it Oracle Certification Course. Okay, all that we need for our airline reservation system will be a passenger class, a flight class, a ticket class, and Oracle Java app class that will be the entry and the exit points of our application. Let's create the Oracle Java app with the extension .java. Okay, fine, we'll save our folder. Here, class Oracle Java app. Before moving to the next, let's see some basic thing with Java from here. This is an empty class, and let's try to compile our empty class. Oracle Java app with extension .java. I will give a permission so we can create the compiled version of this source file. What I mean, from here, the folder Mentorat, inside the Oracle Certification Course folder, you have the .java class with the extension .java. Here, after compilation, there is something that will be created called the bytecode with the extension .java. I give the permission so that we will have the rights or the permission to create a new file inside this folder. Let's go. Fine, we have our bytecode here, Oracle Java app with the extension .class. So we see something. An empty class can compile in Java. Let's try to execute or run our empty class. Java Oracle Java app. Only the bytecode can run in Java. So let's see. Okay, we find an error. And what that error says, an empty class cannot run. A class that runs in Java is the class that contains the public static void main with the argument string add methods. So let's go back to our Oracle file and try right now to add our methods. Void static void main string add. Okay, then we save. We try to compile it again with the javac command. Fine. We try to execute with the Java command. Fine, it executes, but there is nothing inside, so this is an empty app. The rule come like an empty application or an empty class can compile but not run. A Java class will run or execute only if it contains a public static void main method. So here, for all the programmer, is the tradition to make the first program to greet everybody. So let's go. System.out.println, just to print something on the screen. Hello world, welcome to Mentorat. Sure, enjoy the journey. I save, and then I try to compile. And I try to execute. Fine. Welcome. Hello world. Welcome to Mentorat. Enjoy the journey. So from here we have, as I said, this is the tradition for all the developer or the programmer to start the first application with hello world. So I welcome you to Mentorat. Enjoy the journey. Here I will try to make it better with my own custom, with my own tradition. So we'll go in the robot fashion. I will just go character by character and the computer will greet you. Let's go. First of all, I will remove all this here. I'll create a local variable, string, welcome or greeting. Let's say greeting. Okay, then I create a local variable greeting, and from here, I'll just use a loop for. Okay, don't try to understand too much about that. Just Java help you with some way to do it in that way. Let's say extracted character. Fine. From greeting, we'll extract each character. Greeting, yes, dot char to char array. And okay, I will not try to explain you everything from here, but let's go. Just follow me. We'll come back to that later. Then I will use a class called threads, and I'll use the method sleep from the thread class, sleep, and I want to pause each half second. That means 0.5 seconds. So here the commenter to say pause for 0.5 seconds. Okay, fine. Then from here I'll just print each character that I get. Remove all this here and print the extracted character. Extracted. Okay, let's move fast. Okay, I save. So basically this must work, but this method is not safe. When I say the method is not safe, that means is error prone. How can I explain you that? Let's go and you'll see. I close this one. I will try to compile. Okay, unreported exception, interrupted exception. So Java, in that way, Java will tell you that you need to catch this exception because the code is error prone. So let's come back here and catch. So you have different way to do it. You can just try with the try block. Try, we call it exception, and in all this video is the only one place that I will explain. I will speak about exception. So the goal is not to go too deep in Java, but to let you know what Java and how it can help you. So fine, we cut this exception right now. Everything is safe, we can move. I clear this, or first I close this. I compile, okay, and I run. Hello, welcome. Hello world, welcome to Mentorat. Okay, that's not really what I wanted, so I will change a bit because of the print ln that you see like this. Welcome to Mentorat, enjoy the journey. So you see, character by character, something is printing on our screen and the computer is greeting you. Okay, I will remove the ln, so we'll have the message on one line. I save this, close. Let me clear, then compile and execute. Okay, fine. On the same line, hello world, welcome to Mentorat, enjoy the journey. To tell you something about thread is a powerful feature in Java. In graphical user interface programming such as Swing and Java FX, we term it concurrency, and it's helped to create user interface that never freeze. That's all I will tell you about thread for now. Let's go back to our. You see here, we mark our main function as public with the public keywords. If it's not so, the class will not run because the function signature is public static void main with the same arguments as an array of string. Okay, the public keyword here, the public keyword is known as an access specifier in Java, and make accessible all the elements it marks from everywhere by everyone. It can be a class, a function, or an attribute. What I mean by that is simple. You are a programmer and you'll create some classes, and this class will be one day used by your friend, your programmer friend, and your colleague, even people that you don't know all over the world if you are making a web service. That's fine for now. If you remember what we need for our application, from the beginning we say we need the Oracle Java app that will be the entry point and the exit point. That means everything that will start from here to here will run in our application. And we also create a passenger class. So let's see here, passenger class, passenger.